Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a chicken and potato skillet meal. It's delicious, it's really easy, it comes together in no time, so I'm super excited to share it with you. If you want to see how it comes together, make sure you continue to watch. So to make this, you're going to need some chicken thighs. You want bone in, skin on, some baby potatoes, about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, some olive oil, water, dried oregano, red pepper flakes, some fresh parsley, salt, unsalted butter, some garlic, and then obviously some lemon. So I have a whole lemon here, half of it I sliced, half of it I'm going to juice, and you're going to need a skillet with high sides. So to my skillet, I went ahead and added my unsalted butter, and to that I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to keep the heat over medium-high probably. Yeah, I would do medium-high, I would say. And you're going to let this melt before we go ahead and start to crisp up our chicken thighs. So I did forget to mention you are going to need a little bit of pepper also, because what you're going to do is you're going to season the chicken thighs, the skin side, with some salt and pepper. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken into your skillet skin side down. And you're going to cook this, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes until the skin starts to get nice and crispy. And then I'll show you what to do next. So what I'm going to do now is my chicken's getting really crispy. Well, not really, but it's crisping up. So I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. What I'm going to do now is flip my chicken to the other side. Look at that golden brown color. Oh, heaven. Ooh. Okay, now the fun stuff begins. We're going to go ahead and add in our baby potatoes. You're kind of going to scatter them throughout your dish, well, throughout your pan. So my potatoes are in. I'm going to go ahead and add in a cup of water. And this is going to help your potatoes to cook. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in half of my lemon juice, just all over. Perfection. And the whole time you're going to keep the heat on medium. I'm going to add in my garlic. Just kind of sprinkle it around. And you are going to need to zhuzh the potatoes around a little bit. You don't have to move the chicken at all. Just kind of focus on the potatoes. I'm going to do some of the parsley. And then I'm going to wash my hands so that I can go ahead and season it with some seasonings. Alright, we're going to give this a generous pinch of salt. Just around the potatoes. Some pepper. Pepper due to your liking, so as little or as much as you want. You're going to add in a little bit of dried oregano, just a pinch. Give it a little bit of an earthy feel. And then the finishing touch is your red pepper flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now keeping the heat on medium. You're going to cover this, and you're going to let this cook until the potatoes are fully cooked through, and then you're good to go. I saved some fresh parsley so that I can go ahead and garnish it later, but that is it. And then I also saved some of the lemon slices so that I can go ahead and serve it with this. But that is really it. It's so easy. It's so delicious. Make sure you head over to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen and check out this recipe. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.